Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're looking at an Aviation Development Corporation, and this is their oil filter. Now, it bolts to the firewall on that bracket, and you remove these four double nutted things, and inside there's a filter screen. Oil comes in, oil comes out.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
And then on the back, you've got your power connection for your sensor, the drain for it, and then the bolts that you use to bolt it to the firewall. And this can be oriented in a number of different directions depending upon what you're doing. So here it is, standing out big and proud. Side view. A number of ways to get the oil out, so you can change it to whatever your configuration needs. Here I'm just going to take the old tape off. We'll get rid of that. But as you can see, it's just a mounting bracket to the firewall. And then the oil flows through and you clean the filter. You have some fins on it. You get a little bit of cooling, but this is not an oil cooler. And so you don't forget things. The torque value for the nuts, 120 inch-pounds, that's 10 foot-pounds, is right there on the cover. So, ladies and gentlemen, we had this for sale in the Grumman Pilot store. We don't have any more. We don't have the paperwork, but right there, the STC is Sierra Alpha 4172 November Mike. So there you go. A look at the ADC oil filter. They made a lot of nice stuff for our airplanes and a lot of other airplanes. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you're having fun with your Grumman today.